Task 3. Among the nominal ledger name. What we have been requested here, set up the following new nominal accounts or rename the existing nominal accounts as exactly requested. So let's do this one now. So in order to create a new nominal ledger or rename the nominal ledger exactly as we wanted, go to display, click on all accounts, then you will see all the accounts are displayed here. So first we have been asked to rename or create car hire revenue. So what we can do is the main is here fee. So we can right click here and go to properties. By going to properties, we can rename this into car hire revenue. As you can see now, that is renamed to car hire revenue. The other one, we have been requested to create fuel reimbursement income. So same way, it is an other operating income. So we can go and create other income. Properties, fuel reimbursement income, give OK. So that has been created. Next one, we have asked to create electricity account, which is called overheads. It's an expense. So normally in VT, electricity comes as a light and heat. So therefore we go here and right click, again properties, we can rename it to electricity. Next one, cleaning and valeting accounts. So again it's an overhead, so we can go to cleaning. So go to cleaning, it's an expense, so cleaning, so we can rename this one to cleaning, going to properties, cleaning and valeting accounts. Next one, road assistance cost. So which is a cost of sales, so let's create the requested to do that at cost of sales. Therefore what we will do is we'll go to here, any of the cost of sales, will change one into this, or we will create one. So under other, direct labor, commission payable, we can create one under other, new account. So this is a new account. We are creating road assistance cost under cost of sale. This time we are creating a new. Next one, advertising and marketing. So advertising and marketing is normally in VT, it's called with a different name. So we need to rename that into advertising. So let's look where we can change it. Right, information and publications, we can create a new account under this, advertising and marketing. That is done. Next one, loan interest. So we can go and check whether we have anything under loan interest. Right, interest bank. So we can change this into properties, going to properties, Control V, loan interest. Okay, because they have requested exactly to do that, so we have done that, exactly replacing the name. Thank you.